Hey everyone, looking to dive into animation without spending a penny? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these 5 free animation apps can help bring your ideas to life. Let's jump in and explore the features that make each one worth trying. First up, we have Animaker, perfect for beginners. This app makes it super easy to create fun 2D animations with drag and drop tools. It offers tons of templates for videos, infographics, and even character animation. If you've got a school project, social media post, or a quick explainer video, Animaker has your back. The free plan gives you access to many features, though exporting in higher resolution requires an upgrade. Next on the list is Flipaclip. If you love the old-school feel of frame-by-frame animation, this one's for you. Available on Android and iOS, Flipaclip makes it super easy to draw animations directly on your phone or tablet. It's great for animating quick storyboards or even personal projects, with features like layers and onion skinning. At number 3, Blender. Known for its 3D modeling capabilities, Blender is a powerhouse for animators. It offers a full suite for 3D animation, rigging, and even video editing. Whether you're working on complex scenes or simple animations, Blender has you covered. If you're into creating lifelike 3D characters, check out Des 3D. It's especially popular for character animation, and it comes with a library of assets you can use right away. Plus, it's free to start, so you can bring your characters to life without paying a dime. Finally, the last one, Animation Paper. This software is built for traditional animators who love hand-drawn styles. It's lightweight, easy to learn, and great for storyboarding or creating frame-by-frame animations. And there you have it, 9 of the best free animation software out there. Whether you're creating 3D models, traditional animations, or vector art, there's a tool here for every type of animator. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which software you're most excited to try.